Hey guys, it's Perry Rebecca and I'm here with another video. So I just wanted to let you guys know how the slime that I made in my other video came out. And if you weren't watching that video, it's like toothpaste, sugar, soap, and something like that's it. And then you have to put it in the freezer for 12 hours. So I put it in, the fridge for 12 hours. So I put it in the fridge for like 16 hours, a little bit more than 12. And the results are like, it's like slime, but it's like extremely watery slime. So it's like almost not slime. It just made the border of slime. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some Elmer's glitter glue in here and see what happens. Because I guess a glue is supposed to like make slime better. Okay, I'm gonna put some sugar in it. And I'm gonna say if the slime is yay or nay.
You guys ready to come in or are you still playing? Okay.
Okay, so I got like a tub of sugar. I'm just gonna put a pinch inside. Just a tiny pinch. Okay. And then you're gonna mix it in. Okay, so this is like not working. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna say that the slime doesn't work. But I guess if you put it in the freezer for like 15 minutes, and then put it in the fridge for 24 hours, maybe it will work. But I don't know. So, bye.